Hi, my name is Anna Mae. I am a solopreneur, so company of one. I am a consultant, and I give Canva a solid 5. So before Canva, I was using Adobe Photoshop. I think it was right before they went to the subscription model. And actually, it was a pretty good app for what I needed, but I often felt myself running into issues where I was like, trying to figure out how to create some kind of effect, and I'd have to go on Google and figure it out. Like it wasn't the most user friendly experience. Like the learning curve was really steep. So once Canva came along, really user friendly, like in house tutorials, like on the website, that was a game changer for me. I joined a coaching mastermind, and I noticed that there were other coaches that had these really beautiful graphics, these like flyers, on social media, their invites to their events. And I was like, oh, who did that graphic design for you? And they were like, oh, I actually did it myself on this app called Canva. And there's a free version, and the free version is pretty robust. And the paid version is, just a whole other level. So I tried the free version for several months, and I was deeply impressed, and just went ahead and sprung for the paid version a few months later. One thing I love about Canva is that I was able to really hit the ground running from the very first day I signed on with the free version of it. Everything was laid out very clearly, finding images to use, setting the size settings, um, being able to collage and just mix and match things and play with colors. Like it was a very easy playground to step into. And once I felt like I got the hang of it, I sprung for the paid version, and that's where all sanctions were lifted with their in-house images, and also in addition to their in-house images, they also allow you to bring in images from your own hard drive, from the internet. So I was able to build a really robust visual library, and actually learn more about graphic design principles, basically being self-taught through Canva. Um, yeah, so it was a very fluid, user-friendly experience for me, with a relatively easy learning curve to like learn how to really build images that were pleasing to the eye. I would say the amount of value that you get for the price, it's worth it to just jump right into Pro and just like try it out I think it's like a year long subscription. Yeah, just go for it. Uh, I'd say maybe for an individual or solopreneur, or you have a small budget, maybe for you it'd be worth it to start with the free, not even the free trial, the free version. It's not even a free, you just get to have it for free. But we know certain limitations. Um, but if you can afford it, if you can spring it, it's worth it to just go ahead and get the paid version, because it really is like a fully stocked online suite. Oh, other great thing about Canva is that it works really beautifully as a desktop and on your phone as an app. Like it's seamless, and which is really great. So if you're just looking for a way to build um, a clean visual brand, and you just want to have the same consistent colors, and you have your brand kit, the same consistent font and all of that. Um, I find that Canva is a great place to build that library for yourself, and build all those different assets for yourself, and just have it there, have it all stored there in one simple, straightforward place, one simple, straightforward process for building your graphic design.